Good afternoon, everybody, once again. And I hope you enjoyed the last session. And I hope all of you are taking some time to visit the exhibition, meet with exhibitors of various products, services, senior living, tech, and home care. And this afternoon, we have Somdatta, who's going to really, entertain us with music from the golden era of Indian cinema. So, ladies and gentlemen, we really look forward to that. And she is supported by Saurish Gupta. So, let us welcome Somdat to the screen.
Thank you so
Somdata.
much. Thank you so much. Wish you all a very good afternoon. And I think this is something like nothing can be good to start this year with this beautiful musical journey with you all. And I'm so blessed and thankful to Ashiana and Monimita ma'am and everyone, Murli sir, everyone, each and everybody who give me this opportunity to sing in front of all of you. Though we are all digitally connected, but I think musically, uh, uh, we are today we are going to be connected musically in this digital thing. I would love to sing some song from the like golden era too, and some of like very popular ghazal. I'll try my best. Hope you will like it. कैद में जिंदगी है मगर वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है इनको खो कर मेरी जाने जा उम्र भर ना तरसते रहो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आज जाने की जिद ना करो यूं ही पहलों में बैठे रहो यूं ही पहलों में बैठे रहो आज जाने की जिद ना करो आए आज जाने की जिद ना करो। I have started this song because I don't want anybody to leave this moment now and to stay with us to experience many more beautiful track like this. So that's a kind of a request, kind of a demand from me that aaj jaane ki zid na karo, please baithe raho, because I'm going to present some more thing like that. Hope you all like it. Uh, the next one which I have planned, like it's a very beautiful track, and by S.D. Burman. And whenever I get a chance, like on stage, it is a must to be. It's a to be list in the list of the songs which I'm having always ready with me. So that's a beautiful track from film Abhiman. Hope you will like it. तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रना, हाँ तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रना, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, नया कोई गुल खिलाएगी, कभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना, देखो ना, देखो ना, तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रना। नन्हा सा गुल खिलेगा अंगना, सुनी मैया सजेगी सजना, नन्हा सा गुल खिलेगा अंगना, सुनी मैया सजेगी सजना, जैसे खेले चंदा बादल में, खिलेगा वो तेरे आंचल में, चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी, चंदनिया गुनगुनाएगी, कभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना, देखो ना, देखो ना, तेरे मेरे मिलन की नैना। a digital thing. I think the best reward for an artist for any kind of musical show is to it's a kind of warmness, kind of a clap from the audience. Though I'm not being able to see you all, but hope you all are clapping and cheering up from there. So I am getting that vibes digitally, virtually, and that's a very good thing. Thank you all for being there with me. So the next song which I'm singing, that's a little mm, kind of uh, different. My whole learning, my whole study is with a folk song. I am working with some folk artist. So folk music is kind of a very close to my heart, and it is a kind of oxygen for me. I just can't think any concert, any kind of digital program without a folk song. So I'm singing mm, and I believe one more thing, that language doesn't matter in music, because music is an universal language. What you need to connect with the tune. So the folk song, the next song which I'm singing now, it's a uh, North Bengal folk song. It is called Bhavaiya. And why I'm singing this, because this song is a kind of the ladies, they sing for their loved one who leave like who leaves a place for some work, or for meeting some people, and they leave the place and many a time they don't come back. So the meaning of the song is bondhu. Bondhu matlab friend, or my life partner, my love. You are leaving me, you are leaving, please come back, please come back, because I can't stay. I don't want to stay with your memories, I want to stay with your presence. So this is the meaning of the song. It's a very beautiful uh, Bengali folk song. I think if you don't understand the language, hope you can surely connect with the tune. The folk song needs some specific instrument, do tara, ek tara, and as I'm traveling, so I'm not being able to carry that instrument. So forgive me for that. Hope you will like this song with this authentic instrument called Tanpura. Hmm. O Kiyo বন্ধু কাজল ভ্রমরারে কোন দিন আসিবেন বন্ধু কয়া কয়া যাও রে ও কিও বন্ধু কাজল ভ্রমরারে কোন দিন আসিবে বন্ধু কয়া যাও, কয়া যাও রে। যদি বন্ধু যাইবার চাও ঘরের গামছা হাত হইয়া যাও রে। যদি বন্ধু যাইবার চাও ঘরের গামছা হাত হইয়া যাও রে। বন্ধু কাজল ভ্রমরারে কোন দিন আসিবেন বন্ধু কয়া যাও, কয়া যাও রে। বট বৃক্ষে যেমন রে মোর বন্ধুর মায়া তেমন রে বট বৃক্ষের ছায়া যেমন রে মোর বন্ধুর মায়া তেমন রে বন্ধু কাজল ভ্রমরারে কোনদিন আসিবেন বন্ধু কয়া যাও রে ও কিহিও বন্ধু কাজল ভ্রমরারে কোনদিন আসিবেন বন্ধু কয়া যাও রে। So this is a very one of my favorite song. I feel very emotional while singing the song. Hope you all like it. As I said, music is all about tune and the emotion. Yes, language matters, but when emotion overlaps the language, then it highlights that inner feeling and everything. Uh, so this is a very unique experience for me. First time I'm singing, and like I'm not being able to see the audience, which is a kind of the best. I'm actually. mm, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much because connecting with the audience connection, it's a kind of a positive vibe or a kind of a charming vibe for the performer. So thank you so much, ma'am. You're there. Okay. So the song which I'm singing now, as I know that this Jan, Fave, these are a very kind of शादी का मौसम है, शादी का मौसम है. तो it's this is one of the most favorite song of mine, and this song is also very favorite. It's very popular for all kind of people, all ages group, and hope you like it. And I'm a big fan of Arijit Singh, so I can't think any kind of digital concert without Arijit Singh. I know any song of Arijit Singh. Hope you will like it too. Just a minute. Yeah. So those who want to dance, they can dance on their own place. It's a kind of a dance item. So you can dance. बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मीठी गुरधानी ले गई बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मीठी गुरधानी ले गई कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइया रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा to clap, they can clap. Those who want to dance, they can dance. टूट चारपाई वही ठंडी पूरवाई रास्ता देखे, हाँ दूध की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराई रास्ता देखे, टूट चारपाई वही ठंडी पूरवाई रास्ता देखे, दूध की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराई रास्ता देखे, गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, जोरी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे, देखो शर्मानी हो गई, गुड़िया रे गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया, जोरी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे, देखो शर्मानी हो गई, ये कबीरा मान जा, ये फकीरा यूं न जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइया, ये कबीरा मान जा, ये फकीरा यूं न जा, कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया, Thank you so much. Hope you like it. This is a very popular song and a very, very beautiful track. Now, this is a kind of a very challenge for me, the song which I'm singing now. It's a it's a Marathi song, and as I was in Pune for quite a time, so I tried a lot to learn Marathi language, but I couldn't learn. So people are very upset with me. But I tried. I learned one song. I tried to learn this song, and I am trying to sing this song. If like pronunciation, if it's sounding funny, kindly forgive me for that, because that's a very, it's, the song is very 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 close to my heart, and I love this song a lot. And I know that my Marathi is not that much good, but still I'm trying. I am doing trying my best. So this is a song, beautiful song called Baba, and this song is dedicated to all the father. And this is a daughter is saying something to the father. I'm also a daughter, and I'm dedicating all this song to all the father, the mother too, but still the father. बाबा मला कळायच नाही तुझा मनी वेदना, कशी मी राहू बोल कुठ जाऊ They need it. देव होता तो, देव होता तो, ख्याला ना ताला माझा खेर होता तो, शानी होती मी वेना होता तो, माझ्यासाठी करे सारा खर्च केला तो, आज तू फिरू दे पांग है मंगा, जागाना रे मला अजूनही तुझं हवा, बाबा थांबणार रे तू, बाबा जाऊ नको दूर, बाबा थांबणार रे तू, बाबा जाऊ नको दूर, बाबा. So this is a very nice track. I tried to sing in something in Marathi. I only understand the meaning of the song, and I am actually very fond of this track. So next time if I get a chance, hope will be able to sing Marathi in a proper pronunciation. But I think again I said the main thing is to connect the emotion of the song. So would like to almost we are in the end of the session, I think. So a very nice song which I want to sing, would like to that will be the like the signature song for this session, and would love to end the session with this beautiful track. Why I'm choosing this track, because you know we are all are like a very kind of a very difficult situation we are going through. So I know it will go, and again the life will be normal and beautiful the way it was before 2020. So let's enjoy this beautiful track. Hope you all like it, and it is actually a wonderful experience for me to spend this beautiful afternoon with you all with this beautiful track, and the songs which are very close to my heart. I only sing those songs because what happened in a live performance, sometimes we need to sing a song which comes from the audience request. So many songs which we decide we cannot sing. It is almost it's kept in this the box only. But now the best part of this concert is like I could sing the song which I actually wanted to. Thank you so much everyone for being there with me. Let's do this. I hope you all like it. It's a beautiful track from movie Shore, and this song is also very close to my heart, and I always love to perform this song whenever I get a chance. Thank you so much for giving me this beautiful opportunity.
Somdat, that was really exquisite. Thank you so much. And you know, it is so difficult to actually sing where there is no audience. That's a virtual audience. So thank you very much on behalf of Asli and Unmuk for coming today and for being with us this afternoon. And your last number, Ek Pyar Ka Nagma Hai, was just really beautiful. Thank you very much. And thank you very much, Sorish. Namaste. Thank you.